Hello everyone, my name is Setia Makargorat. I'm in 8th semester in Pamulang University majoring English Literature. And here I want to tell you that you must know the fairy tale titled Snow White, which was created by two German academics who are famous and collecting and publishing folk tales and fairy tales. And this time, I will invite you to enter the world of life fairy tales, which adoption of these legendary fairy tales, namely Snow White 2025. A live-action adaptation reimagined from the classic fairy tale by Disney. This new version directed by Mark Webb version and star Russell Jackler as Snow White and brings a new perspective to the beloved story with a modern perspective. In here, my focus is not just only to the plot or characters, but I also on how culture elements set the story and how the social issues are embedded in the narrative. Okay, the first is I want to appreciate about the film, and how if I ask you like this, what happens when an old fairy tale is retold in light of current trends and social issue? And here I will answer by this film. The 2025 version of Snow White attempts to answer the question why, because this fairy tale is not just a fantasy, nor is about a prince being saved by a prince, but it reflects on representation, identity, on representation and gender norm. So right now, let's look the beneath of surface of this fairy tale and how it connected to the real world. And the first time I will explain about the plot and another relative elements. Okay, right now we will continue about the plot of this film. The first of all, let's discuss a brief the synopsis of this film. The first thing is the plot. How about the plot of this film? Exposition. We are introduced to Snow White is a young princess who lost her father and who lost her mother, and then she lives with the shadow of her stepmother, that the evil queen. And then we move to rising action. How about the rising action of this film? The rising action of this film is that the queen feels jealous to the Snow White. Why? Because when the queen asks the mirror about who are the most beautiful in this world, and the magic mirror says, no longer says that she is the fairest, but rather Snow White, because she has more kindness than the queen. And then, because of that, finally, her stepmother jealous to Snow White, and she orders someone to kill Snow White by picking apples. And then we move to the climax of this film. How the climax? The climax is shown when Snow White is tricked by the evil queen and eats a poison apple, so that after eat the poison apple, she is unconscious, and then she is saved by a kiss of her true love from man. The name is Jonathan, who is the leader of a group bandit who fell from the fur too. And then now we talk about the falling action. The falling action of this film is when Snow White converts to evil queens, fighting of her not violence but with honesty and kindness, so that she wins that her of people of the evil queen lost because of her greed. So this is the falling action of this film. And then we move to the resolution of this film. After all the climax, after of the plot, now we move to resolution. The resolution of this film is that Snow White become a just and wise leader, showing the true strength not in the physical but in the heart and her mind. This is the reason why Snow White can become the one of leader because her kind and her good mind. And now we will talk about the setting. The first is setting of place. The setting of the place in this film is an imaginative kingdom world, but with a modern aesthetic feel. Why? A kingdom rich and fertile with its crops and natural resources. And then beside setting of place, there is also setting of time. Of time of this film is there are several steps mentioned in the story. For example, the winter that covers the kingdom with snow and the ice storms, and when Snow White was born. When Snow White was born, or the spring when the harvest comes. And then now we will talk about the characterization of this film. Okay, for all the characters, we will discuss three quite iconic characters from this film, namely Snow White, evil Snow White, evil queen, and then Jonathan. The first is I will tell you about Snow White. Snow White's character in this film is indeed a little different from what we know in fairy tales. Why? Snow White is no longer despised as a passive girl, but she is despised as a girl who has a pure heart and kind, brave and honest. We can see from how Snow White tries to persuade the evil queen and to give apple pie to the people who are currently in the minds of famine. This action is show that Snow White have a good heart and good mind, because when she helped Jonathan to give him bread. And now let's move on the evil queen and the main antagonist character. The evil queen is the main antagonist in this film. She is despised as a queen who has an obsession to become the most beautiful woman in this world or in the land. This character is iconic with the sentence, "Mirror, mirror on the world, who is the fairest among all," which shows her narcissistic character about her own beauty. Her cruel nature and be proven from how she wanted to kill Snow White when she found out that Snow White had become the fairest woman in the land, or when she didn't care about the fate of her solving. Yeah, now we are moving to the third main character in this film. A character that is quite different from the depiction of princess in general, namely Jonathan. Jonathan is a bandit who has an image similar to Robin Hood. He is Snow White's love interest, and even though love interest, he is a brief character, does not give up easily, and then he is a bandit, and He is a brave character, and intelligent and loyal, and this can be proven by how Jonathan characters is willing to fight by Snow White and side by protect her from her many times, even though he has to risk his life. This is the third character of Jonathan, the love interest of Snow White. Now I will explain about the issue presented in this film. The first is, if we look at this film, it still adopts a strong issue about beauty standard, but is also combined with women's empowerment. The original Snow White focused on the obsession with physical beauty in this version. Beauty becomes a source of oppression, with the evil queen obsessed not only with appearance but also with social power, as a queen who is not only power over people's fears. And then we have the woman empowerment, which Snow White bring in this movie. No more themselves in distress, but Snow White doesn't wait to rescue. She saves herself and others. That's why this shows women in power. Even Queen illustrates how women can hold power, even if abuse in her case. Promote independence. Snow White leads, speak up, and makes choices not for love, beauty, but for justice and truth. Just like what Michelle Obama said, that there is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Cultural element in this film and their influence on the development of this story. Some cultural elements in this film are quite thick and magical. Why? One of them is in the early scene where the Snow White kingdom is described as a kingdom full of abundant agricultural product and natural world. Every abundant harvest, Snow White is always told by her parents to pick apples and make pies for every citizen. And then, every harvest time, Snow White, her father and her mother, who are citizens of the kingdom, also come down directly to collect the harvest and hold a people's party that makes them a wise and generous royal family, so that their kingdom life become more peaceful. This makes the plot change dramatically, where this culture is the opposite of when the kingdom was led by evil queen. When the evil queen led, there were no more people parties, and even the citizens suffer greatly. Do the citizens suffer greatly do the great of the queen. There were no more cheers and the imagine of the peaceful and beautiful kingdom, so that culture can create drama in terms of plot and also character development of Snow White herself. Why? This culture also brings authenticity to the story of this film. The authenticity of the culture with the people party of Harvest Festival is a characteristic of the kingdom when led by the right person and when led by the wrong person. Then the culture of the Harvest Festival will also disappear. Snow White 2025 is more than just a live-action adaptation. It is an attempt to reimagine an old story and apply it to a new era. By incorporating culture elements like an inclusive cast and a modern setting, the film bring authenticity and depth to its character. Why? Because and by addressing social issues like gender expectation and beauty standards, the film educates how inspire a wide audience, not just young children but also teenager and older. So, from me, the film is a great example how popular media can reflect and shape society. Why? And then for my conclusion is, after listening to my explanation about this film, how are you interested in watching it? Many film critics says that this film does force a feminist agenda because changes a lot the plot from the original story. But in my opinion, if you want to see Snow White with a new face, maybe this film can be an option to enjoy. So, thank you from me. Thank you for listening me. I hope you can see fairy tales not just a fantasy, but also a reflection of our culture, values, and social struggle. So thank you for today. See you. Bye-bye.